Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make one of these. Look at this. He's huge. This is a caterpillar mold. I already made one because I wanted to find out how much resin with the rocks, because this would be a lot of resin if you do not add like a filler in there. And I just thought he came out so cute. Like, these are literally like fish tank pebbles that I just got from the Walmart, or you can get them from a pet store. I washed them, I drained them, and I let them dry. So we're gonna be using those. This is our mold. It's so big. And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make this. We're gonna get it into little tentacles and everything. It's heavy too, so it's pretty solid. We are going to be using our craft resin. We cannot not use our craft resin, and that's pretty much it. So basically I'm going to get some resin mixed up and we're going to make this. So give me a second and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. I just wanted to mix this up off camera, but I did go ahead and just mix up 240 milliliters only because I have a little tiny thing that I have to finish with some clear resin, so none will be wasted. But this did not take a full 240 milliliters of resin with all the stones. So these have been washed, and like I said, I drained them and dried them super good, because epoxy resin does not like water at all. All right, and we are using our craft resin, my favorite resin that I have ever used. So basically, first I'm just gonna spray a little bit of alcohol spray down in the head, and I'm gonna pour some resin down in there, just because we are going to end up putting some rocks in there. But because there's little crevices for his tentacles and stuff, I want to be able to push them down in there. So you're just gonna push the rocks down into the tentacles. And you can kind of see them fill up in there. See, that one looks clear. Pour some more resin. We're just gonna repeat this process, pushing it all down. This will look cute out in the garden. But anyways, like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and let me know what you think and what ideas you have and what you want to see next. All right, thanks, bye. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's a rainy day today. I don't know how it is where you guys are, but it's a rainy day. But we're going to demold the one that we made the other day. This giant caterpillar with the fish tank pebbles in it. Saves a lot of resin. I did not mention that there was probably 100 milliliters of resin left, if not 120. But I made a whole 240 milliliters, so yeah, I just want to say there's probably 100 left after we used all the rocks. I do have some soapy water. I'm gonna use the soapy water for the head area because I want to make sure I get his little tentacles out. Soapy water helps. Also, you can use alcohol spray or mold release. I don't have any mold release, so we're just gonna use the soapy water. But it definitely helps loosen up the molds. Be careful with the sharp edges. There are some sharp edges, and we use the rocks, the fish tank pebbles, so there will be a couple sharp edges. So I'm just gonna kind of spray it down in here. My table. And kind of move it around in there into the head. It just helps loosen everything up. Oh. This thing is pretty big. It's solid with these rocks in there, so it's quite heavy. So just kind of work it out. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. I'd like to say thank you to all the new followers, subscribers. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I don't want to pull too hard because I just want to make sure its little tentacles don't get stuck, and you don't want to rip your mold either. There you go. It just popped right out, and you got a cute little caterpillar with little fish tank pebbles in there. Cute little garden decoration, you know. But that's how to save on some resin for the larger projects. Even if you are using colored resin, rocks inside will definitely take up some space and just save you on some resin. And the fish tank pebbles are fairly cheap. I think it was, I don't remember the size pound bag, but it was like $6 for a big bag. And I've already made 2 and I still have stones left over. But yeah. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'll be back again with another video. Just don't know what it is yet. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.